This is the proper way how to brush your teeth. I'm gonna show you. This will help all the people in the neighborhood and our friendly friendship. Okay? First, put the toothpaste in your toothbrush. As you see in the diagram, there's the toothpaste in the toothbrush. Okay? Then, wet it like this. Then, you wash your Oh, plenty of cockroach. See? Then, you do it like this. Up and down. Circular. Then your bagang. Then your bagang ilalim. At least 2 minutes. 2 minutes. As what the dentist say. 2 minutes ba? Eh, siko. Yung siko. Then after you brush your teeth, you will brush also your tongue. Like that. Then you make mumog. After, when you're mumoging, you also brush your teeth. Then, you'll get the toothpaste, excess toothpaste in your mouth. Then you close the faucet.